is what it's looking like when you apply it. So cute. I really like this. Yeah, I really like this. Hey Glam dolls, I'm here today to share with you all this newly released high and low half wig and pony wrap, which is by GOLDNTREE. OMG, I was so excited when I seen this, and you know, I was like, I want to give this one a try, simply because when these type of styles first came on the scene, Sensationnel blew it up out of control with their instant half up half down pony, which looks like this right here. The best to my knowledge and knowing is that Sensationnel was amongst the first to do it. I didn't see any other brand doing it until now. GOLDNTREE has launched their instant half up half down pony, and I'm curious to see how or what the difference of it just may be. Now once I remove the card, what I'm already impressed by this unit is it's already flat right here. Like, this seems like it's going to lay down flush in with the hairline, and it's not going to give that, you know, that hump effect that most wigs be doing. And then on the inside, as you can see, it has combs. Okay, it has combs on both sides, and then it has a comb at the nape of the neck. It also has an adjustable strap, which is hidden but right here. It comes with an adjustable strap. And again, take the silica gel out. Okay, we're going to now apply this. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Okay, now first, I already parted my hair in the back, and I did a single braid in the back, and I did the high ponytail, and I laid the scarf on my hairline just to hold my edges down. But I'm gonna show you what the back is looking like. This is the front. All right, this is how it's looking. And I just did a single braid and looped it some kind of way in the back. You can, you know, braid it down however which way you want to, or you could just put a stocking cap back there. The choice is honestly yours. That's just the way I decided to do it. That's not the only way. That's just a way in which I decided to do it. So I'm going to take the half wig first. I'm going to take the half wig first, and I'm going to attach it. You see what I'm doing here? I hope you can get what I'm doing here. I'm going to attach it very closely to the back of the pony. Okay, then I'm going to tuck it in the back. Tuck, tuck, tuck. And just for precaution, I'm going to take some hairpins just to secure my sides down. Okay, I just want to secure the sides. So we're gonna tuck, tuck, tuck. You don't have to use hairpins if you choose not to. That's just my own peace of mind and comfort, me knowing that I'm securing the unit down. We're gonna tuck, tuck, tuck. I'm gonna stretch it a little bit, and I'm tucking the pin in between the actual hairline, in between. That's what we're doing. We're going in between. Okay, so once I do that, I'm going to take the drawstring right here. You see I'm pulling it, and pull tight. We're gonna pull tight, and ooh, that's tight. Ooh, Lord, that's tight. We're gonna take it, and we're gonna secure that piece, and the piece that's then hanging, this piece here, we don't want that exposed, so we're going to just kind of tuck that in with the hair, and I'm going to take a smaller hairpin just to secure it. Okay, so far so good. Ooh, this looks cute. Okay, I like it. I like how it's coming out. I like how the large comb can comb through it. Yes, it's cute. Let me keep going. So this is the ponytail part. Okay, as you can see, it has 3 combs, one on each side, one in the middle, and This is going to be the tricky part. So I might have to bend down. This is going to be the tricky part. Ooh. Okay. I'm going to take the middle comb first. Put it at the base. Take the combs that's on the side. You know. Oh boy, this is frustrating already. Take the combs that's on the side. And I'm going to begin to kind of bring them around and tuck them. It sounds weird. That's what I'm doing. So once I get that established, I'm going to take the whole ponytail, flip it over, because I need to take this piece and begin wrapping. Take the ponytail, flip it back, take the piece that I'm wrapping. Oh man, this is getting weird. Look at that. This is getting weird. You know this is a real video. Look at that. Here is getting all over the place, but I'm gonna keep going because we're gonna make this work today. I'm gonna hold my head back. Yeah, that helps if I just hold my head back. Okay, I think this is coming together. I just have a lot of loose strands. Jesus. Okay. Take another hairpin. Man, this is so frustrating, honestly. Just like when I had the Sensational one. Very frustrating. But I'm going to persevere, okay? Take another one. But we're going to go with it. We're going to play with this. Alright. I think it's on. Yep, it's on. What do you dolls think? I think it came out as good as it's going to get. Let me take my comb, blend the hair in with it. You know, we're supposed to blend the hair together. And voila, I think this is it. Oh. I'm gonna decide to wear my glam earrings. Why? Because my name is Glam, and if you are an official glam doll into this community, which means you are a subscribed glam doll, you already know anything with the word glam in it I'm wearing. So alright, add a little bit of highlight. You know we want to feel cute. This is by LA Colors Cosmetics Strobing Illuminating Powder. We're just going to do a little bit of it. A little bit is going to go a long way. Wait for it. Ooh-wee. Look at that. Gorgeous. Just a little bit. Add some highlight. This is more so turning into a get ready with me video, huh? Okay. A little bit of highlight. I'm feeling super cute. Hella cute. Not even super cute. Hella cute. This is what it's looking like when you apply it. So cute. I really like this. Yeah, I really like this. I'm going to add my MzGlamourAddict Cosmetics Basic Nude Lippy. I done told y'all it was available for purchase. A lot of you missed out on the sale. That's okay though. I'm going to add a little bit of my nude lippy. It's infused with jojoba oil and vitamin E for added moisture. It's long lasting and very hydrating on the lips. A little bit of lip gloss. A little bit of lip gloss, and voila. This concludes this video. Seriously, thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. I will be sure to link more information down in the description box below about this gorgeous unit, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.